What's up, guys? If you want the convenience of a tablet without carrying around a large 10 or 12-inch screen, a good mini tablet can give you the perfect balance of portability, performance, and everyday usability. In this video, we're breaking down the top 5 best mini tablets in 2026, from affordable compact Android tablets to premium options with powerful processors, high-resolution displays, fast refresh rates, and productivity features. We compared performance, display quality, battery life, storage, portability, connectivity, speakers, cameras, software features, and overall value to help you find the right mini tablet for your needs. Whether you want something for streaming, reading, gaming, travel, note-taking, work, or everyday browsing, there's an option here for you. Some of these models offer 144Hz displays, Snapdragon processors, expandable storage, 5G connectivity, rugged designs, and Apple Pencil support, so make sure you watch until number 1 before deciding which one to buy. All product links are included in the description below, so check them out for the latest price and availability. Now, let's jump straight into the top 5 best mini tablets of 2026. Number 5. Lenovo Tab One. Starting our list at number 5 is the Lenovo Tab One, a compact 8.7-inch Android tablet designed for streaming, browsing, reading, and everyday entertainment on the go. What I like most about this tablet is its lightweight and portable design. It weighs only around 11.2 ounces, so it's easy to hold for longer periods and simple to carry in a backpack or travel bag. The 8.7-inch HD display offers a 1340 by 800 resolution, a 60 Hz refresh rate, and up to 480 nits of brightness. Combined with dual speakers tuned with Dolby Atmos, it makes a convenient little media device for YouTube, movies, and casual gaming. Performance comes from the MediaTek Helio G85 processor, paired with 4GB of memory and 64GB of storage. You also get microSD expansion, giving you additional space for apps, photos, videos, and downloaded content. Battery life is another strong point, with Lenovo claiming up to 12.5 hours of YouTube streaming. It runs Android 14, includes Google Kids Space for younger users, and comes with 2 years of security patches. Another nice bonus is the included folio case, which helps protect the tablet and doubles as a stand for hands-free viewing. Pros: compact and lightweight design. Up to 12.5 hours of YouTube streaming. Dolby Atmos dual speakers. MicroSD storage expansion. Folio case included. Cons: 1340 by 800 display is relatively basic. 4GB of memory is better suited to everyday tasks than heavy multitasking. Overall, the Lenovo Tab One is the one I'd consider if you want a small, affordable tablet for streaming, browsing, travel, or everyday family entertainment. If you want a compact Android tablet that's easy to carry and already includes a protective folio case, check the link below for the latest price and availability. That makes the Lenovo Tab One our number 5 pick for the best mini tablets of 2026. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5. Coming in at number 4 is the Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5, an 8-inch rugged Android tablet built for users who need portability, durability, and dependable performance in demanding environments. What stands out most to me is the rugged construction. The tablet is IP68 rated and tested to MIL/STD 810H standards, giving it added resistance against water, dust, drops, and tougher everyday working conditions. I also like the 8-inch 1920 by 1200 display with a 120Hz refresh rate. The high refresh rate helps scrolling and navigation feel smoother, while the compact size keeps the tablet easy to carry for field work, travel, or mobile productivity. Performance is backed by 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, giving you more room for multitasking, business apps, files, and media than many basic mini tablets. You also get 5G connectivity, making it a strong option for users who need internet access away from Wi-Fi. Battery flexibility is another major advantage. The Galaxy Tab Active 5 uses a replaceable 5050 mAh battery, supports fast charging, and can even operate in no battery mode when connected to a dedicated power source. You also get useful productivity features like a programmable key, glove-friendly touchscreen, Samsung DeX support, biometric security, and compatibility with major US carriers. Pros: rugged IP68 and MIL/STD 810H design. 8GB RAM and 128GB storage. 120Hz 8-inch display. 5G cellular connectivity. Replaceable battery with no battery mode. Cons: heavier and bulkier than standard mini tablets. Rugged business-focused design may be more than casual users need. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5 is the one I'd consider if you want a compact but seriously durable tablet for field work, travel, business, or demanding everyday use. If you want a mini tablet with 5G, rugged protection, and a replaceable battery, check the link below for the latest price and availability. That makes the Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5 our number 4 pick for the best mini tablets of 2026. Number 3. ALLDOCUBE iPlay 60 Mini Turbo. Taking the number 3 spot is the ALLDOCUBE iPlay 60 Mini Turbo, a compact 8.4-inch Android tablet designed for users who want stronger performance, sharp visuals, and plenty of storage in a small, lightweight package. What stands out most to me is the Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 processor with Adreno 710 graphics. Combined with 8GB of physical RAM plus 8GB of virtual memory, it gives this mini tablet enough power for smooth browsing, multitasking, streaming, and casual gaming. The 8.4-inch 1920 by 1200 IPS display is another big advantage. It supports 4K video decoding and Widevine L1 certification for HD streaming on supported services, while dual speakers help make movies and videos more enjoyable. Storage is also generous for a tablet this size. You get 128GB of UFS 3.1 storage, with microSD expansion supported up to 1TB, giving you plenty of room for apps, games, photos, and downloaded media. I also like the 5500 mAh battery with 18W PD fast charging. The tablet supports USB 3.1 Type-C for charging, data transfer, OTG accessories, and display output, which adds a lot of flexibility for work and entertainment. At around 323 grams, it stays easy to carry, and you also get a 13MP rear camera, 5MP front camera, Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.0, and a 6-axis gyroscope for added versatility. Pros: Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 processor. 8GB RAM plus virtual RAM expansion. Sharp 1920 by 1200 IPS display. 128GB UFS 3.1 storage with microSD expansion. Lightweight 323G design. Cons: 18W fast charger is sold separately. No built-in cellular connection on this version. Overall, the ALLDOCUBE iPlay 60 Mini Turbo is the one I'd consider if you want a compact Android tablet with stronger performance, fast storage, a sharp display, and plenty of expansion options. If you want a small tablet for streaming, gaming, travel, and everyday multitasking, check the link below for the latest price and availability. That makes the ALLDOCUBE iPlay 60 Mini Turbo our number 3 pick for the best mini tablets of 2026. Number 2. ALLDOCUBE iPlay 70 Mini Ultra. Coming in at number 2 is the ALLDOCUBE iPlay 70 Mini Ultra, a compact 8.8-inch Android tablet built for users who want flagship-level speed, a high refresh rate display, and plenty of storage in a small package. What stands out most to me is the Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 processor with Adreno 732 graphics. Paired with 12GB of physical RAM plus virtual memory and fast UFS 3.1 storage, this tablet is designed for smooth multitasking, demanding apps, and higher performance gaming. The display is another major highlight. You get an 8.8-inch 2560 by 1600 IPS panel with a 144Hz refresh rate, 500 nits of brightness, and Widevine L1 support. That combination makes scrolling feel extremely smooth while also giving you sharp detail for games, movies, and reading. Storage is generous too, with 256GB built in and support for up to 1TB of expansion. Combined with USB 3.1 Type-C, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.4, it offers strong connectivity for both entertainment and productivity. Battery life is backed by a 7,300 mAh battery, with up to 14 hours of video playback listed by the manufacturer. It also supports 20W PD fast charging, and the charger is included in the box. At only around 335 grams, the iPlay 70 Mini Ultra remains very portable despite its performance-focused hardware. You also get dual DTS speakers, a 6-axis gyroscope, a 13MP rear camera, and a 5MP front camera. Pros: Powerful Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 processor. Sharp 2560 by 1600 display. Smooth 144Hz refresh rate. 12GB physical RAM and 256GB storage. Large 7,300 mAh battery. Cons: No 4G LTE or GPS support. No fingerprint or face recognition. Overall, the ALLDOCUBE iPlay 70 Mini Ultra is the one I'd consider if you want a small Android tablet with serious performance, a premium 144Hz display, and enough storage for gaming, media, and everyday productivity. If you want one of the most powerful compact Android tablets in this lineup, check the link below for the latest price and availability. That makes the ALLDOCUBE iPlay 70 Mini Ultra our number 2 pick for the best mini tablets of 2026. Number 1. Apple iPad Mini, A17 Pro. Taking the number 1 spot is the Apple iPad Mini with the A17 Pro chip, a premium 8.3-inch tablet designed for users who want powerful performance, excellent portability, and access to the full iPad experience in a compact size. What stands out most to me is the A17 Pro chip. With a 6-core CPU, 5-core GPU, and 16-core neural engine, it delivers strong performance for multitasking, gaming, photo editing, note-taking, and everyday productivity. The 8.3-inch Liquid Retina display is another major highlight. It offers a 2266 by 1488 resolution, 326 pixels per inch, P3 wide color, true tone, and up to 500 nits of brightness, giving you sharp text, vibrant colors, and a premium viewing experience. Storage starts at 128 GB, while Wi-Fi 6E and faster USB-C connectivity help with quick file transfers and wireless performance. It also supports Apple Pencil Pro and Apple Pencil USB-C, making it a great option for notes, drawing, document markup, and creative work. Camera quality is strong for a mini tablet too. You get a 12MP rear camera with 4K video recording and a 12MP ultra-wide front camera with center stage, which is useful for video calls and online meetings. I also like the addition of Touch ID built into the top button, landscape stereo speakers, Bluetooth 5.3, and all-day battery life, making the iPad Mini easy to use as both an entertainment and productivity device. Pros. Powerful A17 Pro chip. Sharp 8.3-inch Liquid Retina display. 128 GB starting storage. Apple Pencil Pro support. Excellent 12MP front and rear cameras. Cons. Apple Pencil and Smart Folio are sold separately. More expensive than many compact Android tablets. Overall, the Apple iPad Mini A17 Pro is the one I'd choose if you want a premium compact tablet with excellent performance, a high-quality display, strong app support, and long-term versatility. If you want a small tablet that can handle entertainment, productivity, creative work, and everyday use without feeling underpowered, check the link below for the latest price and availability. That makes the Apple iPad Mini A17 Pro our number 1 pick for the best mini tablets of 2026.